In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video and text into a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let's start by opening PowerPoint and navigating to the slide where you want to add your content. If you're working in an existing deck, pick the slide that has enough space for both text and a video. If you're starting fresh, any blank or simple layout will work well. First, add your text. Go to the Insert tab, choose Text Box, then click anywhere on the slide to place it. Type your text and take a moment to format it so it's easy to read. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your presentation style. High contrast colors and clear fonts help your message stand out, especially when a video is sharing space on the slide. Now, let's bring in the video. Go back to Insert, choose Video, and select either Video on my PC or Online Video, depending on where your clip is stored. If you pick Video on my PC, browse to the file, select it, and click Insert. If you're using an online source, follow the on-screen prompts to add the link or embed code. Give it a second to load, and you'll see the video appear on your slide. Next, arrange everything. Click and drag the video and the text box to position them in a way that looks balanced. Use the corner handles on the video to resize it proportionally, keeping the picture from getting stretched. Try to leave comfortable margins so nothing feels cramped, and aim for alignment that looks intentional. PowerPoint Smart Guides can help you line things up neatly. With placement set, choose how the video should play. Select the video, go to the Playback tab, and decide whether it should start automatically or on click. Automatically is great when you want the video to play as soon as you arrive on the slide. On click gives you control, which is helpful during live talks. While you're in playback, you can trim the video to remove any awkward start or end moments, and enable looping if you need the clip to repeat continuously. Finally, preview your work. Go to Slideshow and choose from current slide to test it. Make sure the text is readable, the video plays as expected, and the timing matches your presentation flow. If anything looks off, exit the slideshow, make small adjustments, and preview again until it feels right. That's it. Clean, clear, and ready for your audience.